Ladies and gentlemen, what's going on? It's your boy Purpale Slushy NFT coming back with another banger fundamental video. I hear all the time, they're like, hey, how do you mint an NFT? How does that work if you're on the whitelist? What are the steps that you have to go through? So in today's video, I'm going to be walking you through a whole minting process of how to mint. Today is the Karufuru mint, and I was blessed enough to be able to get on the whitelist, so I will be able to mint this project. So I am going to walk everybody through the steps. I think we just hit 300 subscribers this morning, which is insane. I've had my channel for a little more than a month and we're already at 300. I can't wait to see where we're at the end of the year. Thank you guys for all the support, and remember to start every single day with a smile on your face. Two things before we get into the video. The first thing is anytime you use your Metamask or anything like that, you want to make sure that you have a VPN turned on. Anytime you do financial transactions on your computer, you should always have a VPN turned on, because this will keep you protected in case somebody's looking at your internet or your Wi-Fi or something like that, or somebody's in there. They won't be able to see anything that you're doing because you are on a VPN, and it keeps you safe. So another thing that you want to do is you want to make sure that you have a Metamask account. To do that, you just go to Metamask extension inside of Google, and then you go to Metamask right here under the Google Chrome. You want to make sure that the browser is protected, so you know that you're on the right browser. HTTPS means it's protected. And then right here, you can download Metamask. And then from there, all that you have to do is go into Metamask and then create an account. And then you have to add Ethereum to it. And I will leave a link in the video down below of how to actually do that. So we have a VPN, we have Metamask. I'm currently logged into my Metamask for the mint. So now the question is, okay, so now what do I do from there? It's mint day, I'm trying to mint. So to make sure that, a wallet drain isn't happening, or like a hacker got into the project somehow, you always want to go to general chat after mint and see what people are saying to make sure, no one says like, oh my gosh, my wallet got drained, things like that. So we're looking over here. So far it says, let's go 1 ETH. Fastest 10K I've ever seen someone make. Crazy Furu. So it looks like people are making a lot of money already. 10K floor incoming, is public mint unlimited, things like that. So people are super hype about this project. So it looks like everything is good to go with the mint, so I should know that it is safe. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna scroll down and check out some of these announcements. It says right here, we're sharing our OpenC link ahead of mint to ensure you guys stay safe. Why V2, you asked? We had to make sure Furus are safe. We've reached out to OpenC to ban any collection using the keyword Karufuru. Turns out that turned out to be a mini blocker for us when we deployed our official collection from the smart contract, and we decided to rename it. And we needed to rename it. Therefore, use this OpenC collection temporarily until OpenC gets back to us. So right here, they let us know that this is the OpenC collection. They let us know that it's Karufuru V2 right now, since they had OpenC delete a bunch of fake Karufuru accounts, which is really good. And then right here, Karufuru pre-sale is now live. So what I want to do is I want to click on this pre-sale link right here. And you always want to make sure you get the correct pre-sale link from the actual official links or from the announcements of the project that you're minting from. Then right here, I'm already connected with my Metamask. I'm already logged in. So what I can do is I can click on Metamask right here. It's going to ask me if I would like to connect. So I am going to connect with my account that I want to mint with. I'm going to hit next. I'm going to hit connect. It's going to connect me. So now, since my whitelist has gone through, I am now connected. So it says pick a gotcha machine, pick me, or pick me. Oh man, which one do I want to go with? I don't know I've never seen this before. Pick me, pick me, pick me. This guy's, it looks like they're both trying to go for the middle one. I like the color of this yellow one. So, oh man, I don't know if which one you click, if it depends on which type you're gonna get. This guy, his sticker's on this yellow one. This little Mickey Mouse looking guy is on this one. This little dude that's up here is on this one. I like these ones, I think. I don't know if this is how it works, but I'm just gonna click on this. How many Furus would you like to mint? So I'm gonna mint from this one. I'm going to mint 1. So mint in progress. So what should happen is my Metamask will connect up here in the top right. It says 0.2. The gas is really cheap. It's only $65. So the total for 0.23, it's going to be $625 with $65 gas, which means their contract is super optimized. Normally gas right now, or the way that gas works is the higher, more people are like doing transactions, the more people that are buying things, the higher the gas is going to be. But when a project has their smart contract super optimized, the gas is going to be really low. So if this contract wasn't optimized, the gas would probably be like 200 something. So it's 58. So I'm going to hit confirm right now. So it went down a little bit. If it's super optimized, it'll fluctuate like $5 to $10. So I waited for it to drop a little bit right there. So it dropped the whole way down to $58. So my price ended up being a little under $650, which is super dope. Mint in progress. So we shall see what happens here in a second. Let's go ahead, and right here it says click on the coin to get your gotcha. So click to insert coin. So I'm gonna click on it, preparing your gotcha. This is really cool. I've never seen a mint do this before. So the machine's gonna shake. So, oh, that's super dope. Wow, this is really cool, actually. 1 Carrefour minted. Stay tuned to see what you got in your gotcha ball. Wow, this was super cool. So I've never been, so I've actually minted, I think I minted another project before, and then I've watched a couple mints before, but I've never seen something so interactive like that. Normally you just mint it. It's like congratulations, you minted one, and then you'll find it in your wallet or whatever. But this had like a whole game with it. Like you had to click on the machine, you got a gotcha ball. Like this is super cool. So now what I can do is I can go up here, click on my Metamask. Once we click on our Metamask, we should be able to go down to activity. So right here in our Metamask, if I went to my activity, we can see we have a contract interaction. It took 0.2 ETH out of my wallet. It showed the gas limit, the gas used, the base GUI fee, and the priority fee. So now I should have my Carrefour. So what I can do now is I can minimize out of this. And then what I want to do is I want to go to OpenC. So I'm going to open up the OpenC collection for Carrefour. And OpenC is probably lagging like crazy right now because there's probably a ton of people on here. So the floor price is already 4 Ethereum, which is actually insane. So if we go up here and we are going to go to my profile, this is my profile. I can see it right here that I have my Carrefour and the content is not yet available. So yeah, that's basically how you mint. Make sure you have your VPN turned on, connect your MetaMask. Make sure you don't mint right away. Make sure that there's no wallet drain or anything like that. Go into the actual general chat. Make sure you see that everybody is, safe, things like that. Once you know you're good to go, check the announcements to see if, anything changed, like how they changed the name of their collection, things like that, because you don't want to go to the wrong collection. And once you do that, you can log in and then you should be good to go. So right now there's 2.2K items. The floor is already 4 Ethereum. That is actually insane. Normally projects, when the pre-reveal happens, the price is really high. And then when the reveal happens, the price tends to like go down a little bit. But what we've seen lately with these past couple projects, like Azuki, for instance, the floor was like 2, and then after release, it went up. There was another project, Mofo. The floor was like 0.4, and then right after the release happened, it went the whole way up to 1 ETH. So I don't know what's gonna happen with this project. I think that this project has a lot of potential to be a blue chip project. Never take anything that I say for financial advice. This is just based on, what I've seen in the market. Nobody knows what's going to happen. The best NFT content creators don't even know what's gonna happen. So it all depends. The reason why I believe in this project a lot is 1, it's super unique. The art is fire. 2, China, about a month ago, they are now allowed to buy, sell, and trade and create NFTs again. So they just have money that they're ready to spend. So I think with how unique this is in the style, like anime type style almost, that market is going to really, really want stuff like this. Also with the limited supply of only 555, people are really, really going to want to get onto a project like this, and they're going to want to keep one. So I hope that this video was able to show everybody how a mint actually works. walked you through all the steps. So now that when you get whitelisted, you know what to do. The biggest three things are: make sure you have your MetaMask set up, make sure you have your VPN turned on. Number three, make sure you go to the announcements in the Discord before. Make sure you only use official links from the announcements or from the official links. Make sure you check the announcements right before the mint to see if any changes have been made. And then also check general chat right before you mint. Don't mint right away, because during whitelist mints, everyone that's whitelisted is guaranteed at least one. So when you go to mint, you'll know that you get one. And it's just good to make sure that, you know, nothing botched happened with the mint, whether like a hacker got in or something like that. And you know that your money is going to be safe and your wallet is not going to be drained. So I hope that everybody really enjoyed this video today. If you did enjoy the video, make sure you punch that subscribe button, hit that like button. Till next time, it's been your boy Slushy. Peace.